Children, now let us read the opposite words from our notebook. Fatty fat, thin thin, fat, thin. Big big, small small, big small. White white, black white black. Long, short long short. Tall, short tall short. Young, old young old. Hot, cold hot cold. Rich, poor rich poor. Happy, sad sad. Good, good bad. Near, far far. On, under on under. Thick, thin thin. Up, down down. Day, night night. Left, right. Sit, stand. Dry, wet. Laugh, cry. Fast, slow. More, less. Heavy, light. Fat is opposite of thin, thin. Big is opposite of small, small. White, black. Long, short. Tall, short. Young, old. Hot, cold. Rich, poor. Happy, sad. Good, bad. Near, far. On is opposite of under. Thick is opposite of thin. Up, down, day, night, left, right, sit, stand, dry, wet, laugh, cry, fast, slow, more, less, heavy, light. So children, practice all these opposite words daily. Children, now let us learn and write rhyming words in our notebook. Man, fan. Box, fox. Sun, bun. Cat, rat. Red, bed. Tap, cap. Rug, mug. Cut, nut. Ten, hen. Bin, tin. Boy, toy. Can, pan. Fat, mat. Fun, gun. Bat, hat. Cup, tub. Jug, hug. Butt, hut. Gum, sum. Lip, zip. Leg, peg. Top, mop. Let us read them again. Man, fan. Box, fox. Sun, bun. Cat, rat. Red, bed. Tap, cap. Rug, mug. Cut, nut. hen, bin, tin, boy, toy, can, pan, fat, mat, fun, gun, bat, hat, cup, tub, jug, hug, butt, hut, gum, sum, lip, zip, leg, peg, top, mop. Now let us read the words and circle the odd one out. PIN pin, COW cow, BIN bin, TIN tin. Pin, bin, tin are the words with rhyming sounds. Cow is odd one out, so we will circle it. COW cow is odd one out. CAT cat, BAT bat, LEG leg, HAT hat. Cat, bat, hat are words with same sound. Leg is odd one out. FOX fox, OX ox, BOX box. LOG log. Log is odd one out. Fox, ox, box. Log is odd one out. TEN ten, HEN hen, PEN pen. POT pot. Ten, hen, pen. These words have same sound. Pot is odd one out. DOG dog, SUN sun, BUN bun, RUN run. Sun, bun, run have same sound. Dog is odd one out, so we will circle it. Next, PAN pan, MAN man, FAN fan. BED bed is odd one out. Pan, man, fan. We will circle the odd one out. LEG leg, PEG peg, HOT hot, EGG egg. Leg, peg, egg have same sound. Hot is odd one out. CUP cup, BIG big, FIG fig, DIG dig. Big, fig, dig have same sounds. Cup is odd one out. TOP top, KID kid, MOP mop, HOP hop. Top, mop, hop are the words with same sound. Kid is odd one out. JUG jug, MUG mug, HUG hug. NET net, net is odd one out. Jug, mug, hug have same sound. Net is odd one out. So children, you also read the words and circle the odd one out words.